Sila ang mga tunay na nahalal na mamuno dito sa bayan ng Bawan. Certificate of Canvas Votes and Proclamation of the winning candidates for municipal offices for the May 14, 2007 national midterm and local elections. We, the undersigned members of the Municipal Board of Canvassers of Bawan, Province of Batangas, do hereby certify under oath that we have fully canvassed the votes cast in 210 precincts in this municipality for the candidates for municipal offices in the elections held on May 14, 2007. Attached to and forming part thereof is a statement of votes for the precinct obtained by the candidates in offices of mayor, vice mayor, and members of the Sangguniang Bayan. That after such canvass, it appears that Ryan Manye Bodolor obtained 15,200 votes. For said office. That after such canvass, it appears that Romeo Agulo Bacum obtained 10,338 votes for the office of Vice Mayor of the said municipality. The highest number of votes legally cast for said office. That the number of members of the Sangguniang Bayan to be elected for said municipality in the same election is 8, and that the following candidates receive the votes indicated opposite their names, which are the highest number of votes received by the candidates for said office. Number 1, name of candidates for Councilor Wilson Leandro Salas Rizal. 14,711 votes. Number 2, Julian Kasapaw, 13,958. Neil Patinawan Valdez, 12,138. Number 4, Ronald Evangelista Pusat, 10,023 votes. 11,884. Romel Cruz de Mayugas, 11,706. Number 7, Raul Lakbay Abrahan, 10,765. And Jefferson Dimaya Priego, number 8. On the basis of the foregoing, we hereby proclaim the above named candidate as the duly elected mayor, vice mayor, and members of the Sangguniang Bayan of the municipality of Bawan, Province of Batangas. In witness whereof, we have signed his presence in the municipality of Bawan, Province of Batangas, the 7th day of May, 2007. The municipal board of Canvassers, Walter D. Bautista, Chairman, J.C.T. Maliwanag, Vice Chairman, and Simplicio Visita, Member Secretary. Congratulations.
Yun. Are, okay.